Our reverse mortgage clients cover the spectrum. They have different backgrounds and different needs. We have clients that use a reverse mortgage strictly to pay their taxes and insurance. We have clients that need to pay for in-house healthcare. Some clients use a reverse mortgage to help pay for day-to-day living expenses after the death of a spouse, while others take out a reverse mortgage to pay off a partner in a late-in-life divorce. We also see clients that don't have savings, like a blue-collar worker, such as a plumber or an electrician who has been self-employed their entire life, put 5 kids through college, but never had enough money to save in a retirement account. We have senior clients that can't afford a home equity line of credit payment after it moves from interest only to full amortization. And we also have clients that want to purchase a home and can't qualify for a traditional mortgage. So they use a reverse for purchase. We have clients that want to maintain their sailboat, and we have clients living in poverty, and it covers this scale. There's a little bit for everyone. Please contact me if any of your clients might consider a reverse mortgage. I'm here to help.